Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.
Hi everyone, happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and safe. In today's video, we are decorating my entryway ready for Easter, and I'm starting with a lantern DIY. My lantern is from HomeSense many years ago, and I don't like the bottom of it, so I'm trying to disguise the dark metal, darkened over the years, with cardboard wrapped with foil. Comment below if you are happy to see my bunny couple. These ribbons are from the range, and this one I bought it last year from Hobbycraft. It has a better quality and some glitter on it, and it's definitely much more expensive than the other two. This video is part of a close collab that I do with my friends Ellen, Anne and Tammy. Don't forget to visit the playlist so you can watch their decorate with me's for this Easter season. I got my color coordinating items and some floral to do a beautiful topper for the festive season.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere the way you smile.
I have my greenery, I have my floral, and I have my eggs. Almost done, but this side needs something because I don't want to see the reverse side. Time to do my funky bow with my ribbons. They are so cute and perfect for the season. I'm not measuring anything, as you can see. I'm just eyeballing and making sure that all the rest, after cutting the first, all the rest are exactly the same. I dovetail all of them 2 by 2, and then I just layered, alternate 3 different patterns and had fun. So years ago I done another video. I watched few of Arlene's videos, and it's been a few years. I realized when I was doing this I couldn't remember much, so I improvised. I hope you learn something from it. If not, go definitely watch Arlene's channel. I might put the link to her channel, to one of her videos, in my description box below if I remember. I was very happy with the end results.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Everything makes total sense when you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
You just straighten all the loops until you have like a ball shape. For the tail one, I'm using only 2 of the ribbons because I did not want to overcrowd it. I'm going to add some floral as well.
When you entered the room, and when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one.
This part is done. Now let's add the other components to the mixture.
I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. Even though years have gone by, I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that
I thought elastic band would make it easier to design, to think about what I'm going to add, and it will hold the flowers in place until I'm happy. The only principle I follow in this section is use similar items for the top as well as the bottom of the swag.
I'm nothing without you, I don't know.
Almost done. The only thing I did, the tails were a bit long, so instead of cutting it, I pleated the ends.
I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you, do without you, do without you, do without you.
These are the other items that I will be using. This one is from IKEA. I bought it several months ago, and the bunny inside is from Primark.
Who's dancing all night with our stomachs full of butterflies? First time I saw your face, I fell in love. Oh, I can't believe you are mine. I'll never let you down.
Let me show you the end reveal of my beautiful, beautiful festive lantern.
Close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You're the one I choose.
Now you have to help me to decorate. I have few options. These are the options for the lantern, and this one is the third one. Is it tall one and the medium one, or the medium one and the small one? Let me know in the comments, please. I'm keeping my beautifully done floral arrangement. You've seen it already if you watch my home tour for spring, and I'm going to either use it as it is or decorate with a topper. Let me know, do you want it plain or do you want it decorated? Do you want it with the candle holders or without the candle holders? Too many decisions to make. Help me out, please, in the comments below.
He took out an old pen.
Okay, these are the things that I chose in the end. I kept the topper and I put the lantern on the candle holder, and I used the medium size with small size in terms of the floor candle holders. And what do you think?
And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.
I also tried few more variations with different candle holders, and one on top of it and one on the side of it. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, please.
I met a young man.
Thank you so much for staying till the end. I'm done, but you're not done yet. Please go to my description box and click on the playlist so you can watch all my friends' videos as well, and tell them that you're coming from my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.